This society and this economy that we live in right now is teaching more people how to become self-made millionaires than ever before. And the reason why I say this is because as we know, gas prices are going up, inflation is going up, everything is going up. And it's just, they're giving us this one word. They're putting us into this one word. And what I like to call that is perspective. You see, perspective, it's not about just saying, oh, the prices they're rising. What am I going to do? You see, the world is creating a lot more entrepreneurs, self-made millionaires, and people with mindsets that I got to get it by any means possible, because it's one of those type of things. Either you fight or you flight, or either you freeze or you fly. So what's good, YouTube, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Reese in the Cut. In today's video, I want to talk about why this economy is just pushing a lot more people to become self-made millionaires. Why this economy is pushing a lot of more people to run up the bag and to figure it out more than ever. So further ado, man, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. If you guys like videos just like these, we drop every single day on the channel. I'm a 21-year-old content creator from Illinois. Further ado, let's hop straight into the video. Look, I know there's been times where you need to get access to your money before your paycheck even hits, because I ain't gonna lie, life definitely be lifing. That's why we got this banking app called Current that allows you to get up to $750 in paycheck advance once you get qualified. So instead of stressing about payday and your paycheck hitting and you got a bill to pay or something, you can now access your funds when you actually need it. That's the thing. Sometimes we don't have all the time in the world to be waiting on our paycheck. That's why paycheck advance is one of my favorite things, and it also might be one of your favorites as well. But if you simply just want to build up some credit or just get your paycheck earlier than what you usually get it, they handle all this for you in just one app. So if you guys just scan the QR code right there, it's going to take you to the sign up page where you can create an account. All you gotta do is fill in your basic information, and after that, you guys can sign up and order your current card. And then once you guys complete all those steps, it's gonna give you guys the option to fill in my promo code REES67 to give you guys a $75 bonus. So if you guys ever feel like money is tight sometimes, or you need help building credit, or even just balancing your finances, make sure you guys go check it out, man, because this is exactly what this app is for, helping you guys improve your finances. So to start off the video, I want to give you guys a great analogy. And when I give analogies, I always like to revert back to sports because that's how I came up and that's how I was raised. So it's almost like kind of these one thing. So the analogies I got for you guys, it's almost like a basketball game, right? You guys ever played on a basketball team that was so good that you never had to get in the game? You always knew that the starting five was going to take care of the job. You know, they going to start out the game. Hey, man, they coming out off the tip, throwing lobs, they doing everything, bro, and they always blow their team out by 30. And you one of the people on the bench. You might be the 6th, 7th man, or you might even not even have to get in the game because your team is so good. So you used to sitting back, just winning every game so easily, and you're comfortable on that bench, right? But then you face that one team, you start facing more competition because the competition that you've been facing is too easy. So you start facing more competition. Your team is no longer winning. Your team needs help. Your team needs extra players because the starting five is tired. And it's no longer you being comfortable anymore. You now have to sub. Coach is like, hey, man, I need you to get in the game. I need you to get in the game now. That's what it's like in this economy today. So what do I mean by that analogy? Let me break that down for you guys. So basically, having one source of income is no longer enough. Having one stable job is no longer security. It's like now you have to find multiple sources of income. You no longer can just stay comfortable and stay on the bench. You got to get in the game and you have to get hands on. And that is what this economy is forcing us to do. It is forcing us to think differently. It is forcing a lot of people who stay comfortable or is staying comfortable at their 9-to-5 jobs to have to find multiple sources of income, whether you got a college degree, whether you got a trade, whether you got to do, it's like you got to have a side hustle on top of the side hustle, right? So that is what I mean by that analogy. It is time for you guys to start getting in the game. There's no longer just a such thing as, oh, I got one job. I got one good job out of college. You know what I'm saying? No, you got to be a jack of all trades now. We got to have this going on. We got to have that going on. And a lot of people, they are adjusting. A lot of people, they are realizing this. And a lot of people, they are choosing to get in the game, which is good. And one of the biggest things that I have realized is the era of spending a lot of things on nonsense is coming to an end. You see, because inflation and the prices are going up so much, a lot of people are realizing that every single purchase matters now. Every single purchase is either going to be an investment or an asset in the future, or it's going to be a liability. And a lot of people are actually thinking before they purchase certain things, which is good, which is great, which is already putting you in that self-made millionaire mindset, okay? Because one thing I'm going to tell you about millionaires, even though I'm not a millionaire yet, but I'm going to be a soon one. it's definitely every single purchase that you make, it's like you almost kind of realize that, okay, how is this going to help me? Is it going to be, it's either for marketing, an investment, an ROI, return on investment, or it's just a liability. You guys know what I'm saying? It's two types of purchases. So a lot of people know that it causes them to think now. You know what I'm saying? It causes people like, before I go somewhere, do I want to have to put that gas in my car? A lot of people, they are thinking, okay? That's what I'm saying. A lot of people, they are starting to think differently now. Because one thing I can say is, look, I'm one of the type of people, look, I hate settling. I hate the concept of settling for less. Like literally. And one thing that this economy is exposing right now, it is exposing vulnerability and comfortability at the same time. You see, it's easy when the bills are paid, when you can sit back, when you can go to your job, you can come home and everything is paid. It's so easy to be comfortable. Now, the way this economy is, it is exposing those people who are just living like that because they can no longer do that. It's no longer that you can just go to work, show up for your job, pay your bills, come home and live and eat and just relax. It's no longer like that. And I feel like, honestly, that's why I said perspective. I'm not going to say this is good. I don't go in agreement with all the inflation, but I do like that it got people more on their toes, because comfortability is the biggest drug anyway. And again, on this channel, we against that. I don't want you guys to be comfortable. So yes, I want you guys to take this economy and put it into perspective. Let's stop complaining about the gas prices. Let's stop complaining about inflation. Let's do something about it. Let's become that millionaire that we were meant to become because of the inflation. Perspective. One thing I can say that I love about what's been going on in the world lately, I've been seeing people, bro, who have never posted content a day in their life, who have never thought of a high income skill a day in their lives. They are doing it now. And I'm not gonna lie, like this is what the world needs anyway. The world needs people who are literally trying and grind their ass off. This is good, if you ask me. That's the thing. A lot of people, we are now in fight or flight mode. And people, they either got two options. You either got two options. You could choose to panic or you could choose to adapt. It's a simple equation. When the pressure gets on, when the inflation rises, when the gas prices rise, you got two choices, bro. You can either panic and say, oh, I can't afford it. Or you can have that mindset, what am I going to do to afford it? What am I going to do to get ahead? And like I said, bro, it's people out here, they posting content, they learning skills. They actually seeing that, okay, I got to do what I got to do. Like one thing I can say about this economy that forced people to do, it forced people to find a more abundant version of themselves. If you guys don't know what like abundance is, it's basically like when you have more than enough, right? Like, so, you know what I'm saying? You got like more than enough money to pay your bills, take care of yourself, all those different types of things. Because the truth is, I feel like about most people that became successful, they didn't become successful because technically because life was easy or anything. They just realized that it was harder to stay the same, and staying the same became more expensive, if that kind of makes sense. So basically, like what I'm saying is, bro, I'm seeing so many more people just take so much more risk. I'm seeing so many more people, bro. They are using this inflation. They're using these prices that are rising as ambition now. And that's what I can say, bro. I'm proud of everybody for doing. One thing I want to let you guys know is, bro, this is just a moment, right? If you guys need to listen to this part again in the video, this is probably one of the most crucial moments. I want this to motivate you guys so much. Don't ever let inflation stop you from being a person that you want to be. Don't ever let inflation stop you from chasing your dreams, living an abundant life, striving and striving and just living, bro. Just living in general. Use it as the fuel to your fire, bro. This is where champions are made. I say this to myself every day. Like, these are literally talks I have myself. Like, it be sometimes, bro, I don't want to get up. I don't want to record a video. I'm not gonna lie. It's some of them days. Y'all know I show up every single day. Every single day, I don't want to show up. But I had those talks with myself. This is where champions are born. This is where inflation is beat. This is where generational curses are broken. That's what I'm saying. Never let these prices, never let all this stuff, the gas prices, the food, the rent, never let it get in the way of you living the life that you want to live. I'm telling you, just use it as ambition. Just use it as, look, I want to prove, like, I'm the type of person, bro, I want to prove everybody wrong. I want to prove the government wrong. I want to prove anybody wrong that think, hey, look, oh, you can't do that. That's too, no, I want to do it. That's the mindset that we should have, bro. You should want to have that mentality that, look, I'm gonna be a millionaire anyway. So I don't care how much inflation you put against me. I don't care how much you raise the gas prices. I'm going to outbeat it. I'm going to outwork inflation. So that's kind of why I'm making this video, because I see like a lot of people, bro, they are going harder now. I see a lot of people waking up, and you don't want to be left behind, bro, because everybody, bro, they going after it now. Hey, y'all thought the rat race was, no, the race is really on now. The new race is seeing who can outlast inflation, who can survive. We live in a generation now, we live in times where it's survival of the fittest. We no longer live in that generation where, oh, I got a job, I'm cool. No, we live in that generation where we want to see who's a dog now. It's a difference between the people who can just show up at work and go through the motions, and a difference between a person who can get off work and show that they want to fucking live and they want to be a dog. So that's the question I gotta ask y'all before I end off the video, bro. Are you a dog or what? You a dog? You gonna go get it, or you gonna let inflation stop you? You gonna let gas prices stop you? Come on now. I know y'all got that dog in y'all, bro. So make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, man. Hopefully this video motivates you guys to, bro, just get up, get to it, bro, by any means possible. Outbeat it, outwork it, and hustle. Grind, grind, grind. The grind don't never stop. No days off, all right? Now, y'all know I love this. Y'all know I love y'all even more. That's why I stay on y'all. I'll see y'all more content tomorrow. Hey, ski.